Hey guys, so we're back here in this garage with the AMR doors. We're looking at the outside. These are pretty nice. And this is just going to be an update video on the openers. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to get a video here next. It might not be until next spring. So, yeah. But you're actually going to hear that this machine does not make the squealing noise anymore. So, let's see if I can do a code. So you don't hear any more squealing noises, which is great. So the machines are the same. They're Chamberlain WD-832K EVs. Alright, anyway, so these are AMR doors, and without the pinch guard hardware. So for those of you that install AMRs, whenever possible, try to get them without pinch guard hardware because it works a heck of a lot better. Okay, torsion spring. Okay, so yeah, and the safety sensors are mounted on the wall because the tracks are just kind of a tight fit there. We'll open this door. See this button. I actually think I might switch those buttons around at some point. These are very quiet though. That one hinge is loud, or maybe not. There's a few popping noises. We'll bring that one down. Yeah, so eventually I'm just going to take the cap off of that one so that the squealing doesn't come back. Very, very quiet and smooth machines. The square rail doesn't actually seem to have that much flex to it. I mean, when it's closed it does, but we'll do these at the same time, run them down from outside, and that'll be it. Still very quiet even when both of them are running at the same time. Okay, we'll bring this down from the keypad and that'll be it. Come on. There we go. Now they're both going. Alright, so yeah, there you go. AMR doors. Nothing really much changed other than the squealing, but so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, I don't know when the next video of these will be, so and then the keypad is the one that I replaced. It's a 940 ESTD, so check back soon and subscribe to the channel. See ya.